In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Sweat wallet with your Sweatcoin account, so you can manage your crypto rewards and keep everything in one place. First, make sure you have both apps installed on your device, the Sweatcoin app and the Sweat wallet app. Once you have them ready, start by opening the Sweatcoin app and logging into your account using your usual credentials. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Balance option. This will take you to the Balance page, where you can see your current Sweatcoin earnings. On this page, you'll see an option labeled, "You are working for crypto." Tap on this to proceed. A pop-up will appear with a button that says, "Open Sweat Wallet." Tap on it, and you will be redirected to the Sweat Wallet app. In the Sweat Wallet app, you'll see the login screen. Since we want to link your Sweatcoin account, tap on the first login option that says, "Login with Sweatcoin." You'll be prompted to approve the login, so tap on the Approve Login button. The app will now start setting up your connection, so just wait a few moments while it completes the process. Once the setup is complete, tap on the Let's Start button at the bottom of the screen. Then press Next, and finally tap Open Your Wallet. You will now be inside your Sweat Wallet app, and you'll notice that your Sweatcoin account is successfully linked. From this point forward, you can manage your crypto rewards directly from your Sweat Wallet, making it easier to track, send, or use your earnings. By following these steps, you'll have successfully connected your Sweat Wallet with your Sweatcoin account, giving you seamless access to your rewards and full control over your crypto balance.